Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I will show you how you can move or transfer Google Photos from one Google account to another. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to move or transfer Google Photos from one Google account to another. In this tutorial guide video, I will simply show you how you can do that, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Now what you have to do is simply open the Google Photos app on your phone. You can also do this from your browser or your web or any of the desktop versions which you are using it. Once you do that, what you can do is tap on the sharing button which you see at the bottom right corner of the screen. So go ahead and tap on sharing, and over here you can simply create an album and only select some of the photos and videos which you might want to share to your other Google account. You can tap on the create a shared album or create event and so on. But let's say if you want to share all of the photos, tap on the option which says share with partner which you see at the very top, or you can also simply tap on this button. I will simply select share with partner, and you can see a better way to share with your partner. Choose to share some or all of your photos automatically. Choose what you want to share and tap on the get started button. Once you tap on get started, over here you want to simply enter the email address of the account to whom you want to share it. So go ahead and enter the email address, or else you could simply choose any of the random email address from your contacts. Now you can see it says all photos or only photos of specific people, so you could go ahead and select photos of only some specific people. This is going to be scanned by Google Photos automatically depending upon the face, or you can come back and select all photos, and what you can do is you can also choose only show photos since this day or anywhere. Now you can see your partner can only see photos that you've backed up. So all of the photos which are on your Google Photos on your cloud or saved in your drive is going to be shown to the other person. Once done, tap on the next button at the very top, and you'll be able to see this option which says see invitation. So what you can do is simply tap on send invitation. You can select the option which says this person will get access to your photos, including all the photos that you back up in the future, the location where your shared photos were taken. You can tap on the send invitation button in order to send them access to your photos. This was the way on how you can share, move or transfer Google Photos from one account to another. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.